Hello, what we have here is the best of the best welding company's Generation 1 400 amp Stinger, and it's made entirely out of carbon fiber, making it the strongest in the industry. I'm using a matte carbon fiber on this one, and for the first time you can now control the power setting of your welding machine right in the palm of your hands, all the way from its minimum setting all the way to the maximum and everything in between. I'm also using a 3-digit accuracy on this. It comes with a dedicated OLED display, as you can see, and what it has is a built-in memory function, so when you turn your machine off and you turn it back on, it'll remember your settings, so you don't have to go through the entire power band again to get to where you want. So it's a good day to be a welder, because we no longer have to run back to our machine ever again to adjust the power setting. So I look forward to hearing your comments and your feedback on it, and this will be available on the market shortly. The coloring, it'll come in green, olive drab, and black right at the moment. I may come up with some other color schemes, but those are the two that I'm going to go with right here in the near future. So thank you for your time, and have a nice day.